Randy Lloyd.
Yeah, it's all on me then.